so this is the font we downloaded. So we're going to go into the font and enter. We're going to go into static. So this is a list of fonts we're going to make use of in this project. Okay, but we have to rename this font because this enter and this is not accepted. So we're going to come here, we're going to put rename. We're going to change this to this, right? Come here, we're going to do the same for all of them. Okay, we're done renaming each and every one of them. So we're going to copy. Before we copy, we'll come here and we'll come to the rest. I'm going to create a font package, a font directory. Yeah, we're going to create a font directory. We're going to go to font. Then we'll come here and we copy everything. Copy. We're gonna come here and we're gonna come here. Sorry if my voice went down. We're gonna come here and we're going to paste. Okay, it still shows some red lines. I think we have to run a Gradle build. Okay, so we're going to go to the next stage of the tutorial.